No, because
I'm the one that's supposed to
play.
You just cheated.
I don't cheat. I don't
just
cheat.
cheated.
Call the thing. Money.
You just cheated.
So you have the heart to give this my daughter 10 shots of cane because he failed your test. I'm asking you, teacher Tudo.
Mama, I did not flog your daughter because she failed.
Why will you flog her at all? Why will you even flog this girl? Are you her father? Are you the one that gave birth to this girl? Are you the one? Look, are you the one that impregnated me for this girl? Are you the one I'm asking you? Why must you flog my daughter?
Calm down, let me explain to you what's happened.
You said I should calm down. You are telling me to calm down. After flogging my daughter, you are telling me to calm down. Did you calm down when you are flogging this girl? When you were beating her, did you calm down at all? Teacher Chudo, Teacher Mbakwe, did you calm down when you were flogging this girl? Look at my daughter's body.
Mommy from Mabiko, calm down.
Hey, whoa! I can't cast no again. It's not again. What are you saying? I'm listening. What are you saying? Calm down for what? This man is a wicked man because he don't know what it takes to be a child. He doesn't know what it takes to be a child. That's why he flogged my daughter like this. Because he's childless. That's why you can flog my daughter like this. Look at. I didn't even you have even one. You wouldn't have done a thing like this. Why? Why should he beat my daughter in this manner? Look at my daughter. Look at. Calm down for what? What am I coming down for? What am I coming down for? Have you been to an antenatal? Have you ever missed your period? I'm asking you. Have you ever missed your period? I'm asking you. You're telling me here to calm down. Calm down for what? What am I coming down for? Calm down. Your husband said, calm down. You will say, calm down. For what? After killing my... Look at, just look at my daughter. Just look at my daughter. After killing her, you're telling me to calm down. Teacher Chud, I'm talking to you.
Mommy, leave this place!
Leave what? Leave what? This is warning. First and last warning. The next time you touch my daughter, the next time you touch my daughter, I will report to Abara. I will report you to Abara. I will even curse your family. I will curse your family. You and your family will be cursed. I will curse all of you. Next time touch my daughter. Just touch her. I will show you the... Shut this go.
It is well. Oh?
God. Did you hear what that woman said?
My love, I heard her. And God heard her too. We will have our own children. We will have our own child. God has not forgotten us. Oh? Get up, let's go. The sun is too much. Let's go inside. Should I bring your food?
I don't want to eat.
You usually don't miss breakfast.
I said I don't want to eat.
You're back. Let me help you.
If I have, tell me so I can apologize. I don't like the way you're treating me. You're hurting me with this attitude of yours.
You've not offended me.
I have not offended you. And why are you treating me the way you're treating me? You're moving about as if you're very unhappy with me.
Yes. No man in my condition will be happy. Did you hear what that woman said that day? You heard her.
I heard her, and I also told you that everything will be fine. God will give us our own children in His time. Everything will be all right.
That is what you always say. Eh? You see, please, please. I want to sleep. Okay?
Dikeh.
I said I want to sleep. Please.
Is everything all right?
Mama, everything is not all right. Everything is not all right.
What happened? Speak to me. I'm your mother. Does it have to do with Dikeh, your husband? What is the problem?
Am I a woman?
How do you mean?
Can I bear children? Am I fertile?
Why are you asking this question?
Because my husband is strong and well able. He has done everything. Why can't I bear children for him?
You will bear children at the appropriate time. All you need to do is be happy so that your conception will be easy. You have nothing to worry about.
Mama, the same has been said about my husband. I am fertile. He is fertile. What is happening? Why can't we have children? Are we on the path of misfortune?
No. Come. I have some herbs that you take. This is special. Drink this. It is very special. Finish it. That's because it is very potent. Just drink it. One gulp, full whim. Go on. You want children, don't you? Children. Should I polish this one for you? My husband, should I?
If you don't want to polish it, go and keep it.
What have I done again, eh? Kedi femme. Kedi di unsubu bin ha bikon. Give me.
Since that woman came to our house and called us barren, my husband has not remained the same. I am telling you.
Chinwell, let me ask. Your mother has helped so many people in this kind of case. Have you seen her concerning this?
Josiah, I have.
And what did she say?
She said I'm fertile and that our own child will come in no time.
Do you believe her?
No. I don't know what to believe anymore. Oh,
Let me not act smarter than your mother now.
How do you mean?
Chima. A woman in this your condition needs to take a vital decision to save her face and that of her husband.
What vital decision are you talking about?
Ne. You will not understand now.
Make me understand.
I will advise you to go home. Follow your husband with wisdom. With time, he will forget about what the woman said. Please. It's getting late. You don't need to worry about it.
I'm not worried.
The child will come in no time.
I'm not worried. It's just my husband's attitude.
So that's how to make the things. Enough crayfish and onion.
Do you think Dikeh will change? He will. I'm so worried. I have never been this worried my entire life. Chim, I understand how you feel. But come to think of it, in all honesty, why would Dikeh transfer the aggression on you? He should have lashed back at that stupid woman.
You and I know that Dikeh.
Why is he giving you attitude?
You and I know Dikeh is not like that. He's not that kind of person.
He's not a troublemaker. But he keeps upsetting you, hurting you. Chinwa, if Dikeh really loves you, he should not be giving you attitude because of what a woman said. A woman like you. I love my husband. I really love him and I fear that I might lose him. You will not lose him if you use your head.
Use my head? How?
When my husband married me, this Chukwuka, my husband, when he first married me, he started messing around with some women. And I visited a Dibia.
Chimu! You use charm on him.
It is not called charm. It is called being strong. Keeping a man.
I can't do that one at all. Man, Charlie. Cha-cha. I can't.
Hey. There are a lot of things you'll soon learn about marriage.
This one I will not learn. I have heard stories of how Dibias turned women into their concubines, sleeping with them left, right and center, all because they went to them to help them tie their husbands down. I will not do it. I will not be a part of it.
Because they don't know their onions very well. Marriage is not as pleasant as it seems. Chinwa, marriage can be made. It can be managed. It can be scattered. Marriage can be fake. But in the end, it is still marriage. The picture you show to the people outside is what they will believe and live with. So open your eyes. Come, let me see you.
Onyo mekome neme ifo metalo ogeji si abulu ogbogu na agbo ifo kotalo ogeji si abulu ofo mbosi njoya ga-abia yugo omo mgbalari ya nanso ifo nye metalo bulu. The heart of man is so evil, the thoughts of man full of wickedness. Greed and selfishness has destroyed the world. Ami faneche, amonya leze. Onyo mekome neme, ifo metalo ogeji si abulu. Ogbogu na agbo, ifo kotalo ogeji si abulu.
Our husband. Good day.
The mama. The mama, you are back.
What is wrong with you? Eh? You're saying me here, you're asking me, are you back? No, I'm not back yet. I'm still walking on the road.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry, that's the only thing you know how to say. Eh? By the way, where did you keep the key when you were leaving the house?
I kept it in the usual place.
That does not answer my question. Where did you keep the key when you were leaving this house?
I kept it in the fireplace.
You kept my key in the fireplace. Just listen to yourself.
But that's the usual place where we keep the key.
Since when? No, answer me, since when? I'm asking you, since when? Since you started doing things on your own. Whatever you want to do. As if you're the man of this house. What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. That's just to know how to say. Please go and get me water.
Is it for bathing or for drinking?
For swimming. No, for swimming. Maybe use butter and bring it so I'll jump inside and start swimming. See bucket, use bucket. Is it for drinking or for bottom tea? Water is at the back of the house.
It's still the same way.
Use this way.
Where's the water now, Jimwa? What is keeping you? What is holding you? Eh? Just to get me water.
Sorry, I was trying to get water.
Oh my God! Oh! What is this? Eh? Can't you see? Can't you see?
Sorry, the cup slipped from my...
Sleep what? What is this? Hey! Just look at it. Leave it! Get out! Get out! Hey, God. Look at my book. Just look at. Eh? Hey! Ooh, what is this? Eh?
Did he lay a hand on you?
If he had done that, it would have been better than talking to me as if I'm his house girl.
This is not fair. Eh? This is not your fault. Why is Dikeh being unnecessarily wicked? Don't worry. Own them. Everything will be fine.
Everything will be fine. When? When will it be? I can't bear this anymore. I can't continue to live in fear in my husband's house.
I know what you can do, and this whole thing will be over. If I tell you what to do now, you start acting the good wife. I know what you can do, and this whole thing will be over.
Jigo, you know what I can do, and you're leaving me to suffer. Please tell me what it is. I want to make my husband happy, and I'll live in peace with him. Ogini, tell me what it is.
Are you sure? It was sure.
Tell me, Biko, anything. I am willing to do it.
You have to use another person.
I don't understand.
Ibumazi, sleep with another man.
I should sleep with another man?
Yes.
God forbid.
God forbid what?
It is an abomination before God and man. I can't do it.
This is why I said that you like acting the good wife.
No, I can't do it. Sleep with another man.
Chima, a lot of people do it. Adan, the wife of Ugo, did it. That her first son with big head is not from her husband. Eliza, the wife of Carpenter, did it. And it worked for her. Machi, my own sister, did it. I knew about it. And it worked for her.
No, I am not those people.
Ha! But you are in the condition they were some time ago. Don't do it. Sit down. Fold your arms. Be a good wife until Dikeh gets another woman.
God forbid.
You and this God forbid. You will forbid it before God forbids it for you. And the only way you can forbid it, Chima, is to get a child for your husband.
Through another man?
He will not know.
Ha!
Ibumazi.
Ha! I can't do it.
You can't do it.
I can't.
Sit down. Rub lipstick and eye pencil. When Dikeh gets another woman pregnant, in my situation, na paken stop Ghana. Let's bet it.
I wonder why this is taking too long. It's as if there's no more hope for me.
What do you mean? You have to be careful so that this anxiety does not lead you into the kind of trouble that you will find difficult to recover from for the rest of your life.
Mama, people insult us on a daily basis. On a daily basis. They make jest of us. They call us names. Dikeh is even making life unbearable for me. When will this be over?
When you have a child, those same people that mock you would come and rejoice with you. You have to be careful. Do not listen to what people say. I'm saying this as an advice and a warning.
I won't have done it anyhow. I tried to make things better, but they only got worse. Terrible temptation. I wish I had known. If I had known. If I had known.
When Dikeh gets another woman pregnant, in my situation, na paken stop Ghana. I saw Dikeh with another woman on your matrimonial day. I said it. No, I saw him on the road with another woman. He almost kissed her. Nya onu sus. Edition not that be yaki ona ata. Chima Dikeh passed by my side to hear mon. Eko kwani here. Hi. Chima, you're not serious. I'm telling you. Now. Oh! Ochakoda go. Ochago koda. You better act fast now. Act fast before another woman will come into your house and take your place. What am I going to do? I say, you are asking me what you will do. What? Keep asking me what to do. Oh? As marriage counselor, where?
If I had known, I won't be like this now. If I had known, I won't have done it anyhow. I tried to make things better, but they only got worse. Terrible.
Jungwa, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you going to? How is your husband?
He's doing well. He has gone to work.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay. You're always looking good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
You went to get firewood?
Yes, I went to the farm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do Lisa. Can you come to the house?
To your house? It's okay. I hope no problem.
No problem. It's just that I want us to talk about something very important.
Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Let me get home and drop my cutlass and the firewood. No it's okay.
I'm in the house.
No problem. No problem. Who says your time with him is in vain?
I want to be a happy woman, and I want my husband to be happy as well. I want to give him a child.
Are you saying what I'm thinking?
You have to help me. I have started seeing my husband with other women. I don't want to lose him.
Do Chinua, do you realize what you're saying? Do you?
Lisa, please. I know what I'm talking about. The mockery has gone beyond what I can bear. After I see my husband with other women, I don't want to lose him. I can't...
But you know your husband is my friend. He's my best friend.
I know.
I'm your husband's best friend.
I know, but it doesn't stop you from helping me if you want to.
But you know this has nemesis, oh. This has nemesis, oh.
Lisa, please, leave me to worry about the nemesis. I just need you to help me. Please.
But how do I face Dikeh?
He wouldn't know unless you tell him. He wouldn't know unless you tell him, please.
Chinua, this might put us in trouble, oh.
See, there's no trouble in this. I believe you can help me if you set your mind to it, please. Eh? I'm going to be here tomorrow when he goes to work.
Tomorrow?
Yes, I will I'll be waiting for you. Go, be cool. Please. Tomorrow, please. Lisa, please, this is between you and I. It's between us. You're not saying anything.
Chinua, you're a very beautiful woman. You're beautiful inside out.
Lisa, this did not happen. Did you get that?
I knew you'd be this sweet. I wish I would have you all the days of my life, and yes, I did.
Listen, this never happened. As a matter of fact, you were not here. Have you heard me? Don't touch me. Get out. Now. Get out. Get out!
How did it go?
How did what go? Disgusting. Horrible. I just wanted it to end. Hey! Biko, stop laughing. It's not a laughing matter.
But he left his seed in you. That is what matters. And it will work.
I feel so terrible. I feel ashamed of myself. I don't know how I'm going to be able to face my husband.
Mokim, you're not the first to have done that. Very soon you stop feeling ashamed and silly. When the baby comes, when you carry your baby, now you'll be smiling. It's a walk. Relax. Man, don't worry.
If I had known, it's a long walk again.
I am greeting you. I said welcome.
Now tell me the truth.
What truth?
Don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
What are you talking about?
You don't want to tell me the truth, eh?
What are you talking about? I don't understand what
you don't know what I'm talking about. Eh? Very soon, you know what I'm talking about.
Dikeh, you're making me nervous with this thing you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you ready to tell me the truth? Are you ready to talk to me?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I need to be left alone until you're ready to talk.
Hey. What did you tell my husband? Did you tell him anything? No. Answer me! Did you tell my husband anything? I did not! Abun BBC or Radio Nigeria. Eh? Okay. Don't tell me you've messed the whole thing up. Am I stupid? Eh? How could I have told him? Then who did? Who told him? Did anyone see you with it? How would I? I don't know. Then you should go and ask him if he did that of teasing. You know men can be silly at times. Whatever, now I'm sure. Hey! Who puts me in this kind of mess? What is wrong with this girl? She is so lily-livered. Obelife, Aranamwe, kuku. Did you tell my husband anything?
Tell your husband anything? Anything like what?
Did you tell him about us?
If I had known, I won't be like this now. If I had known,
hey!
I won't have done it anyhow. I tried to make things better, but they only got worse. Terrible temptation. I wish I had known. If I had known, if I had
Hey, come here. I said come here, come here. Tell me, where are you coming from? I said, where are you coming from? You can't talk again.
I'm coming from... I went to cast... manure. That's where I'm coming from. Should I?
No, don't go. Fly. You can fly.
you're sorry. For 5 years. I have lived with you for 5 good years. Chiwa, 5 years. I've stayed together with you for 5 good... Oh my God, what?
I'm sorry.
5 years! Five good years! 5 good years, and you couldn't tell me that your mother did an Obanje ritual on you. Yeah? How could you? How? No. How could you hide such thing from me?
Hey.
Oh, well, if I didn't hear it from people, and I will live with you for the rest of my life, and I wouldn't even know about it. Yeah?
He's sorry. It happened a long time ago.
I mean,
a long time ago. And my mother did it, but she eventually found out that I'm not an Obanje.
I'm not bothered if you are an Obanje or not. I'm not bothered. But you could have told me.
I'm sorry.
I'm your husband. You could have told me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mom, please, I'm sorry.
You could have told me. I'm your husband.
Anyway, don't be upset.
Shoma, it's okay. Just get my food. Then
food?
Get
I will get it now. Hi, it was me, Wotu and Obiko.
5 good years.
Sorry.
5 good years. And you're still hiding something from me.
Sorry. I told him everything. Huh? I almost killed myself by myself. Hey. Oh.
Oh! Don't tell me you're ticklish like this.
You should.
Hold on. Okay, I'm done.
You know, I'm happy when you're happy. I don't like you when you're not happy. It makes me sad. Don't worry. I know and I believe that very soon God will bless us with our own children.
You're talking with so much confidence. Are you seeing any sign?
No, but I just believe very soon.
Very soon what?
Very soon we'll have our own children.
Okay.
And we're going to call him Obonna.
Him?
Yes.
See, your confidence gladdens my heart so much.
Thank you.
I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
So what are you doing here?
What I'm doing here?
Well, I couldn't sleep last night where I was thinking about you.
Are you alright?
If I'm alright? No, I'm not alright because I'm here for you to make me right. I'm here to get enough of you. You know what I want. If you can give it to me, I'll be fine. Come on.
Will you get your hands off me? Will you leave my husband's house right now?
Oh! Your husband's house?
Yes.
I should leave.
Yes.
No, you know I can't leave until you give me what I want. Make me happy. If you make me happy, I will.
Are you out of your mind, Olisa?
Oh, out of my mind. Oh, you're asking me if... No. You don't want me to shout? Fine, if you don't want me to shout, give me what I want. If you should give it to me, oh, I will stop shouting and I will stop disturbing you. Come on. Leave
me alone. What is wrong with you? I said get out of this house right now.
What is wrong with me is you refusing to give me what I am looking for. If you don't give it to me, I will let your husband know about this. Yes! Listen, I will tell him everything that has been going on, what both of us we've been doing. I will tell him.
So you want to blackmail me? Is that what you want to do? Hey. Hey. You want to blackmail me, Olisa?
You're welcome.
Are you alright?
I'm alright.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm alright. There's nothing wrong.
Get me something to eat.
Listened to my mother. I should have listened to my mother. Huh? This thing just yielded nothing.
Sorry. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Oh, I was making food for my husband.
It's alright.
You don't look happy.
Why would I be happy? Eh? Why would I be happy? That man just had me for nothing. Nothing happened.
Nothing happened?
Nothing happened.
Have you checked very well?
I know what I'm talking about. He just had me for nothing.
Maybe you should try another man.
What did you say?
Hey now.
I should try another man? How many men do I have to sleep with for?
Hey, Nai. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Welcome. So that was it. Welcome. Welcome.
What did you just say? How many men do I have to sleep with before it works? Please, I don't want to hear that thing again, Obliko. What is that?
So why then did you come to me when you knew you were not going to take my advice?
Oh. Okay.
sorry. I'm sorry for bothering you.
Don't go, Mom. You get angry easily. I was only trying to help. Yes. It's for your good.
Thank you. Help.
Hey, Chima. Chima. I will come and see you. Oh?
Sometime last year, you promised me that you're going to share the land and give me money portion.
Yes, I did. But you have to remember that last year, we had so many burials in our kindred.
Okay. So can we do it now?
Yeah, yes, we can. But I remember you said you're traveling to Umuahia. I think it's better we do it when you come back from Umuahia. Besides, it's proper that I inform some of our kinsmen to be witness to it.
Oh, okay. Okay, Day. Let me go and prepare for my trip to Umuahia tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
I wish you Johnny mercy as you go.
Okay.
Drive carefully.
Okay, I will.
You want me to share 5 acres of land with you when I have 5 sons? What would you do with the land when you don't even have a child? You will not see not a plot of land, not even a sand, the grain of sand from that plot of land will get to you. Idiot. Dikeh, you are going to Umuahia tomorrow. It is your decision, not mine. You will go with your front, and you shall return with your back. None of these words will come back to me. Ukurutu! Ukurutu!
I think my wife is seeing another man.
What makes you think so?
I'm having these feelings. I can feel it.
When you begin to think this way, it will make you lose the trust and love you have for your wife. Stop it.
I don't know why I'm feeling the way I'm feeling about this whole thing. But anyway, I will be going to Umuahia tomorrow. Please, I want you to put an eye on her.
That same tomorrow I will be going for my maternal. I will be going to my maternal home for Ikeji festival. But if you listen to me, I will tell you to stop suspecting your wife. Stop it. You don't need it.
My instincts cannot lie to me.
We know your wife. She's a faithful woman. And every man in this village wants to get married to a woman like that. Seriously, I would advise you should stop suspecting her so that the love and trust you have for her will not go. Please. Drink up. Drink. I know you'll be lonely now that the Dikeh has gone to...
I am not lonely. Can you get out of this place? Get out of my house.
Why are you behaving like a little girl? I am here to keep you company.
Did I tell you I needed company? I don't want you around me. I have told you, stop coming around me. Get out!
Nobody will hear about it. It's between us. Between us.
That I violated my marriage rights means nothing to you, right? Get out.
Listen, will you stop this? Stop it! Why are you making me look like I have no conscience? Eh? Have you forgotten I'm helping you? I'm just helping you.
And I have said it is enough. That filth that went on between you and I is over. I don't want you here again.
Let me
get out.
Something. If your husband could make babies, would you have invited me here that day?
Stop it.
Stop
it right
what?
now.
Stop what?
I have told you it will never happen again. Now get out of this place.
Listen, you said that before. And I am here to make sure that this time, Chinwa, you enjoy it. You enjoy it.
Will you shut up? Don't you have common sense? Have you asked yourself if the seed you put inside of me yielded?
And that is the reason I am here to make sure that this time you enjoy it, and it will be, after enjoying it, Chinwa, it will begin to have babies.
Hey! Get out of this place. Now.
I should get out.
Yes.
Fine. Look at me. Look straight into my eyes and tell me that you don't want this.
Get out of this place now.
Why are you looking at me now?
It's my husband. Look at my husband. Someone to hide.
Doors and windows all locked. And it's very hot.
Mama, you know that I decided to read my husband's books now that he's not around. I don't want to be missing him too much.
Okay. Your husband will soon come back. Then we'll stop missing him.
Hey. Thank you. Welcome.
Nena, I brought you some akidi.
Hey, akidi. As if you knew I was crazy. Hey.
I had the
Thank
feeling.
you.
That was why I decided to.
Hey, Kezebo child, you.
Oh, okay.
Mama. Hey, Mama, come and sit outside here so that you will see fresh. No, it's hot inside. Yeah, you might not some no. So, sit here. What do I get for you to? No, here. Okay. What do I get for you to eat?
Get me something. I am really hungry. I've been out all morning.
I am coming. I prepared something for you to eat.
What is that?
Hey, come here. I made eju soup.
Oh, I don't want to eat eju soup.
When did you stop eating eju?
It's not that I've stopped, but I don't feel like eating it now. Besides, it takes out something from my powers.
Okay, should I do roasted yam for you?
No, don't bother. It's okay. I'll go home. I have some patients I need to attend to. The man, he has a broken bone. Crying like a small child. Let me go and treat them.
So maybe I'll come and see you later in the day. No, tomorrow.
It's okay. Anyone that suits you.
Okay.
Kanjebe?
Okay.
No, don't bother. Thank you.
Okay. Hey. Okay, bye-bye, oh. God is right.
Who was that?
My mother, she almost called us. You have to leave now.
It's okay. After all, it's not your husband now.
Please, you have to go now. Somebody else might come. What do you mean by
nobody is coming? Just come. Let's have it.
Have what?
Stop doing this.
What has she done?
Get out! Get out! Are you deaf? I said get out!
Fine. I will leave. But be ready to hear what happens between you and I from the village.
Hey, you better tell the entire community I don't care. I know what to tell my husband. Get out!
You're such an ingrate.
Who is that? Who is that? I'm coming! Who is there, Kwano? Mama?
I heard voices.
Voices? I was reading.
Who is in here? I heard a male voice.
Mama, you know I like to recite this African folk tale, and I like mimicking the tortoise.
Something smells filthy around here.
Like dead rat up here.
Dead rat.
You know I used rat poison a few days ago. It's smelling.
I want my basket.
Basket?
The basket I used to bring Akidi.
It's in the kitchen. It's in the kitchen. Let's go and bring it. I will sweep this room after. What is it? The basket is in the kitchen. What?
I want to tell you the story about a chameleon and the leopard.
Eka. Mama, please, can this your story wait till I come to the house?
No problem. Because it's not the kind of story you tell while standing. Can I have my basket?
Because
Basket?
Basket? Oh! The one you brought Akidi. The one you used to bring the Akidi up, yeah? Don't worry, when I'm coming to the house, I'll bring it. Are you going? Should I see you off? Hey! So, Chinwa, so I'm the one now that is the unfaithful wife. What am I becoming? Eh?
So you still have the guts to beat me, eh? Eh?
Look.
You still have the guts to hit me?
What are you going to do?
Okay. As I was saying, be ready to hear what happened between us from the villagers. Unless you're ready for us to talk like adults.
I will never talk like an adult. So it is better you leave this place now, or else I will scream and the entire village will come here and gather. I will tell them that you want to rape me.
So, that is where you want it?
That is the way it is.
I know what to do.
What are you going to do?
I know what to do.
What are you going to do? What is that thing that you're going to do that will be more than you telling the people that will tell my husband what happened between us? Look, I have made up my mind to tell my husband because I know he will understand and forgive me.
What if he refuses to forgive you?
Then I will go back to my mother's house and have peace of mind. It will not make you more than the man you are. Yes.
You now have a strong voice, right? You now have a strong voice, eh?
Enemies.
Okay. Get out! So, she's now using me to do sour. Mua. Me Olisa mama no Buddha.
ibuchiguzo igbabu onwe gị n'ọsọ mmakwara na-abịa n'ikpeazụ mmakwara na-abịa n'ikpeazụ mmakwara na-abịa n'ikpeazụ isolo ọmụmụ ka gị njọ ibuchiguzo igbabu onwe gị n'ọsọ.
What could be the smell of that evil in that house? If it's what I'm thinking. Hey! If it's what I'm thinking.
Terrible temptation, I wish I had known. If I had known, if I had
What are you doing here?
Zungwa, we have to settle this once and for all.
There's nothing to settle. If you don't leave here now, I will scream and tell the entire village that you want to rape me.
You're being wicked.
You are the one that is being wicked here. Are you alright?
Zungwa, why are you denying me this thing? Huh? Zungwa, why are you denying me this thing?
Shut up!
This is sheer wickedness.
Shut up, I say! Are you mad? Are you my husband? What do you mean by I'm denying you something? Can you hear yourself at all? Or you just open your mouth and start to say nonsense anyhow?
Shut up! Shut up! Are you different? Are you special? Eh? What makes you different from other women who sleep with men for money?
What did you just say?
You heard me. You cheat thing. You're cheap. You lose. You slap me.
Yes. Jesus.
Mad. Eh? Are you mad?
I'm no man. No man. Just sleep. Idiot. Idiot.
like this.
Best fit, give me.
Look at Uncle, look at Uncle. Sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Why is he not answering us? Thank God you did not see my slippers. Come now, let's enter the bush.
Enter the bush and do what? Very bad.
I'm fine for you.
Come on.
Has never failed me. Or has Dikeh started seeing a stronger Dibia? Okay, we'll find out.
Onyo meko meneme ifo metalo ogejisi ya bulu ogbogo na agbo ifo botalo ogejisi ya bulu ofo mbosi njaya ga-abịa ya ụgbọ ọmụ mgbalịrị ya n'ọsọ ife onye metalụ bulu. The heart of man is so evil, the thoughts of man full of wickedness.
Okurutu, Dikeh is back, alive. What happened?
Onye omekome na-eme ifo metalụ ogeji isi ya bulu ogbogu na-agwụ ifo gwọtalụ ogeji isi ya bulu ofu mbọsị njọ ya ga-abịa ya ụgbọ ọmụ mgbalịrị ya n'ọsọ ife onye metalụ bulu. Onye omekome na-eme ifo metalụ ogeji isi ya bulu ogbogu na-agwụ ifo gwọtalụ ogeji isi ya bulu ofu mbọsị njọ ya ga-abịa ya ụgbọ ọmụ mgbalịrị ya n'ọsọ ife onye.
Let me see how you will escape this time. Ukurutu! 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 Akwaza!
Full of wickedness, greed and selfishness has destroyed the world. Amifaneche, amonya neze. Onyo omekome na-eme ifo metalụ ogeji isi ya bulu ogbogu na-agwụ ifo gwọtalụ ogeji isi ya bulu ofu mbọsị njọ ya ga-abịa ya ụgbọ ọmụ mgbalịrị ya n'ọsọ ife onye metalụ bulu. Onye omekome na-eme ifo metalụ ogeji isi ya bulu ogbogu na-agwụ ifo gwọtalụ ogeji isi ya bulu ofu mbọsị njọ ya ga-abịa ya ụgbọ
Dikeh,
ọmụ mgbalịrị ya n'ọsọ ife onye.
you came back so early. I was not even expecting you.
Dave, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Can you remember how I trained all your children, 5 of them, in secondary school, with the money I earned from teaching?
Of course I know.
Can you remember how I gave Okechukwu some money to start up a business and single-handedly took care of your wife's burial?
Why are you listing all this? I know.
And what did you pay me with? This.
Dikeh.
This.
Why are you sounding like this? If it's because of the land, I will share it and give you your own portion.
Can you remember when you had an eye operation and I spent my last cover to make sure it came out well? Why did you do this to me?
Dikeh, I don't understand you anymore.
Why did you pay me back with this?
Is this why you came back from Umuahia to come and remind me the things you've done for me?
Dear, what have I done to you? Oh.
Dikeh, pour palm wine and drink, then go home and rest. After we'll talk about how to share the land.
I am not here to drink palm wine. Drinking is for the living.
What kind of a man is this? It's like he's speaking in tongues, and he keeps escaping each time.
My love, why are you crying? It's okay, stop crying. Give me your hand. Let up. It's okay. Everything is alright now. Stop crying. Come on, let's go in.
I won't have done it anyhow. I tried to make things better, but they only got worse. Terrible temptation, I wish I had known. If I...
Immediately they mentioned you, just appeared. Your brother left here with 2 men. They came looking for you.
It's okay. Keep this.
What is this?
As it is now,